Hey fellas, do you see what we have here? We have the drill by Makita, and this one is needed for a new check. Let's see what we can do here. Of course, we have the screw inside with a flat head, and the screw seems to be damaged a little bit. So what I will try to do, I will try to hammer the screwdriver. Okay, this one not getting it done. Let's try another one. Okay, now we'll put in a vise. And when trying to tighten it in the check, I can see the other problem, that the gear actually only connects when the drill is put like that, and when it's like that it's not connecting. So someone definitely was disassembled this one and maybe try to change the check.